For sure, the mayor, it has been the direction of the mayor that Cebu City not only in the running, not only tourism hub, but also sports hub. So as part of the sports sector, kami din nakita yung ways na ma-promote yun ang Cebu City in any sports activities. And kauban man yun ni Councilor Garganera, and na-supported kami. Makita ninyo iyang shades red kay sa kusog, ako green sa Partido Barok. So mauna ang partido ni Mayor Michael. But kidding aside, walang i-share ni Councilor Garganera that he ran the full marathon, not only sa New York, New Zealand, asa pa walang yun dyan ng hambog. And hopefully he'll be running for Congress because his term as councilor will be ending 2025. It has to be discussed. But again, naanami dire to continuously support, and congratulations again Waterfront and sa mga runners. I may look fit but wala din ko'y kanang gitawang grit or to survive that. So to the runners, stay amazing and looking forward on Sunday. So, mayang mundo.